What's up, guys? Here we are. Same place, Black Valley Cinemas. This is the Millbury Mall. Birds gotta go that way. We got these power lines here, but if I release them this way, they'll probably loop around. They're all here. I don't like to overcrowd the birds for right now because I got two more crates at the house. So for the other birds, I mean, once I get everybody going, then it is what it is, I guess. So let me get these going here. Birds are looking good. Everybody's looking good. Sorry about that, guys. All right, let's see what we can do here. And they loop around. Come on, babies. Watch out for the pole. Watch out for the wire. There you go. Come this way. Watch out. Guys, I had one year a bird, one of these light poles, so I let the birds out, and the bird went dead on to the pole, dead on, like you heard it, clunk. Oh man, they went through the wires. That's scary. That's how people get hurt. That's how birds get hurt. Anyways, it's all right. Everybody made it. Nobody's hurt. Come on. Why are you flying in front of the tree? They're gone. Like they're off to the sun. Sorry about the camera, guys. There it is. All right, I'll see you guys back at the house. Adios. Okay, guys, I just got here. And the birds, when they left, they went straight. Hope they're not here because I like to see the birds come in. It's northwest winds, only at 3 miles an hour, so they should come center. They should come straight center. I was kind of trying to get here as fast as I can so I can see their arrival. And good, they're not here. Thank God. Because I wanted to see it. Put this crate down. Uh-oh, is there a hawk in the area? They should come center. If not, from over here. That's what they should come. I don't know. Anywhere from center to here, or over here somewhere. They should be here any minute. Because those birds, they did a little loop around and they were gone. I thought they would have been here, but they're not, so that's good. I just like to see them come home. That's just me, you know. Nobody broke away, which is good. I say which is good, but breakaway pigeon is always a good pigeon, you know, so. 25 miles. I'll probably go there one more time. I told my partner to take them tomorrow back over there. You know, he don't work Mondays, so let's see if he's gonna do it. You know. Because after that spot, then there's 2 more spots before I reach my destination, which is 56 or 58 miles. So I am not going to release these guys because I have to go out with the family. They want to go to the beach. And I thought I wasn't even going to be able to train the birds, you know. The only day I can train is Saturday and Sunday. And, you know, I can't say no to my family to go to the beach. I woke up early, put these birds in the crates, and I was gone. Gotta get this in. So I wanted to let them go in front of the house, these birds, but with the crates, you know, most of them already are flying up, but I want everybody up. They gotta get going. I don't got no more much time for them. Come on, babies, where you at? Where you at, babies? Got some food in here. This is the food mix right now, guys. Got some wheat, some barley, corn, peas, safflower, some sunflower. Sunflower is really good for them. Has a lot of oils, nice fats, keeps the bird feathers nice and shiny. It's really good. I recommend it. You know, you buy like a 10-pound bag and just put 1 scoop inside your mix. It's really good. I like it. Where are these birds, man? I gotta get going. It's nice. Only 3 miles an hour wind. The trees are not even moving. You know, northwest, so it's pushing that way, the wind, but only 3 miles an hour. They can fight that, so they should come anywhere over here. So yesterday they came straight up here and they were high, really high. If they overfly, then they'll come from the back area, which is a possibility they can, but they shouldn't. They shouldn't. Come on, babies, where you are? Ay, 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 ay. There's a lot of crows in the area. A lot of crows. And they're crowing over there. Something's up. Something's up. Something's up. I hope they didn't overfly. Overfly on the northwest winds. I don't think that's a good thing. Don't matter, but if they do, it'll come from over there. But there's no wind, basically no wind. They shouldn't really overfly like that. Well, let's take a look at some of my white roller. I got the rollers out, 3 of them. These guys are doing good. They're doing good. My breeder. Breeders, my hens. These are my hens. That's the mother. That Splash. To this Splash bird here. That's the mother. My droppers, I took the babies out. I put them in the big section. They're back on eggs. Got some eggs on them again. So, be the second round. They'll breed throughout the winter and summer again next year until I want to be where I want to be with the droppers. So, that'll be that story. Some of the boys. There they are. Come on! Come on! Come on! Just like I said, right over here. From there to there. I predict all these good things, man. Let's go, babies! Come on! Let's go! Beautiful day to fly. They came right in line. Perfect. That's where I want them. From here to there. That's right. Come on, guys. Let me ring the bell. What am I doing? Let's see if that blue ball white flight goes right into the... I put the pad out so they can get used to my pad. It's a 30-inch pad. Come on, guys. Come on. Beep. There she is, blue bar white flight. She never misses. She always lands right in the center. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Go get that drink of water. Come on, babies. You guys are all here. You guys did great. Perfect time. Everything. Perfect. Come on, guys. gonna clean this coop when I got back today. Come on, come on, come on. Today's the first day with the pad. And yesterday, guys, she got out the broken wing and she flew to the house with no problem, and she flew back. So the wing is getting some strength back, but see how she's lifted up? The wing is getting some strength back, but I don't think she'll be able to race. You know, she'll probably be kept as a trainer pigeon around this, just around here. When I let young birds out, she'll be going out with them. What's up, guys? You guys overate yesterday? What's going on? Where's my other red? 2, 4, 5. Is there the inside? There it is. 6. Yeah. These reds are gonna be something special. This one is gonna be a nice one. They're all hens except 2. I think he's gonna be a cockbird, and the other one that's inside is a cockbird. Come on, babies. What am I doing? Come on, come on. Thought that was a hawk. Come on, come on. Something's up. Something's up. Come on, guys. Well, guys, I'm gonna get these birds in, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Tell me what you guys thought about the video. And like I said, guys, they came right in line from here to here. That's where they should come from on race day as well. Anywhere from this open front to here. So it is what it is. They're just relaxing. Thank you, guys. Shout out to all of you guys for supporting the channel. I appreciate it. For the new subscribers, old subscribers, and for the one that haven't subscribed yet, hit that button, hit that button. Join the family. Get the notifications every time I do a upload video. So, well, guys, gotta go to the beach. Adios.